What's going on, everybody? My name is Greg Peters. You are watching the Car Passion channel, and this is a 2001 BMW X5. Now, I wanted to bring some contrast to the channel, and this being somewhat of an off-road machine, it might be capable of doing that. Now, contrary to popular belief, the X5 is actually pretty reliable and easy to work on, and since it's completely stock, it could make a great platform for modifying. Some of you may recognize this car from the channel, and yes, I did already own it, but like I said before, I can't afford to take on a new project that's gonna absorb a bunch of my limited driveway space. The X5 is also fun to drive, and it's pretty fast. Oh, I just felt my nose grow. The X5 is not that fun to drive, and it's not fast by any means, which is why I bought this. You guys didn't think I was actually gonna build an X5 on the channel, did you? What, am I old now? I want something that's gonna teach me some new wrenching skills. I already know how to work on the BMW. There's already a million videos on how to fix your BMW 3-liter. I wanna do something that's unique and different, which is why I bought a 2018 Husqvarna FE501. What you're looking at here is one of the meanest enduros money can buy. It's both lighter weight and more powerful than any of its competitors, but you know me, I'm gonna step that up even further. This bike is fuel injected, which means on top of the normal bolt-ons, it's also got upgradable tuning software, allowing me to unlock every horsepower. Now, on top of the dirt trim, I'll also be doing a supermoto build on this bike. In case you're not familiar, a supermoto is basically a dirt bike with street tires, massive brakes, and other bits that make them canyon carving machines. Supermoto is basically the Miata of motorcycles. They're super lightweight and they excel the most in the tightest corners. And that's what I love about the Miata. With a supermoto, you can also really push your limits at lower speeds than other motorcycles. Now, I don't intend for the bike to take anything away from the Miata content. I have tons of plans for that thing still. I spent all of last year fixing it. I love to spend a good portion of this year actually driving it, racing it, bringing it to the track, lining up against powerful cars and showing them what's up. But I think you guys will really have fun watching me challenge myself into learning a new set of skills, both on the trails and in the canyons. And I'll be bringing you the same humorous, high-quality videos that you've grown to love here on the Car Passion channel. I'm looking forward to dropping tons of fun content in 2019, both on 2 wheels and 4. I hope you guys are too. I wish you all a happy new year, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. I'm out here with the best looking film crew anyone's ever seen. What do you think everyone's gonna think about me buying a motorcycle on the Car Passion channel?
They're gonna hope that you're safe.
It's a consensus. Are they gonna be stoked or are they gonna unsub?
They're gonna be stoked once they see the off-road footage.
Okay. And the supermoto. I'm a fan of the supermoto. She wants to do all the off-road, so I'm just gonna have to do a blend. There's already dirt on it from the aggressive off-road photo shoot down there. This bike, I bought it. This is the first new bike I've ever owned. It's got 179 miles on it. It's gonna be awesome. Just you guys wait.